In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show saved passwords in Google Chrome. If you've forgotten a login and need to see what Chrome stored for you, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find and reveal a saved password safely. Start with Chrome open on your computer. At the top right of the browser window, click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This opens a drop-down with all your browser options. From there, click Settings to open Chrome's main preferences page, where you manage things like privacy, appearance, and autofill. In the Settings view, look for autofill and passwords. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear in the left sidebar or in the main list. Open it to get to the tools that manage saved addresses, payment methods, and of course your stored logins. Next, choose Passwords, which may also appear as Google Password Manager. They lead to the same place, a list of websites and accounts that Chrome has saved for you. Under Saved Passwords, you'll see rows showing the site, your username, and a masked password represented by dots. Use the search box at the top to quickly filter the list by website name or username if you have a lot of entries. When you find the account you're looking for, click the entry to open its details. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to the hidden dots. This is the standard way Chrome lets you view what's been saved. For security, Chrome may ask you to prove it's you before displaying the password. If prompted, authenticate with your computer password or your device's biometric unlock, such as fingerprint or face recognition. This safeguard prevents someone else who has access to your computer from viewing your credentials. After you authenticate, the dots will change to readable text so you can see the password. Take a moment to note it or copy it where you need it, and then click the eye icon again if you want to hide it. A few quick tips to keep this safe and smooth. Do this on a trusted device and avoid screen sharing when revealing passwords. If you don't see the account you expect, it may be saved under a different Chrome profile or on another device. The list only shows items stored for the profile you're currently using. On managed work or school devices, administrators may restrict viewing passwords. That's all there is to it. Open the three-dot menu, go to Settings, open Autofill and Passwords, choose Passwords, locate the site, click the eye to reveal, and authenticate if asked. When you're done, close the Settings tab and you're back to browsing.